Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm as sick as a dog right now, but I'm going to do something that I've been meaning to do for freaking ages, and it is organize my nail drawer because, wow. This is my nail drawer here, and I need to give them back to my brother because it didn't work on my Apple computer. But I've got all these nail polishes here, and then this is literally filled with, oh, I'm looking tan. This is literally filled with all of my dip powders, my glitters, all of my stuff in here, my tips and everything, and it just looks like a bloody mess. So I need to organize it, and I thought I'm gonna get one of these. I think back in the day they called them like caboodles. So my flatmate Haley works at Bunnings, and she got me this, and it is $15 just from Bunnings there, and it's got all of these really cool compartments, and when I'm done with it I'll be able to jam it in there and replace all that, and I can have it all nice and covered. I can put it all back together. So I'm going to be doing that today and organising it all in there, and thought I'd film it because it would be so freaking satisfying. I was trying to get the sticker off there. If anyone has any hacks, then comment them down below. But I'm ready to fill this bad boy with all of this, so we can see this go into there and organise it all. So I literally have filled all of this up. So there is all my dip powders, all my glitters, all of my extra glitters, then there is my liquids, toe separators, that kind of thing, all my tips, spare containers, gems, more liquids and more powders and some things, and it can all close up perfectly. And I got rid of this container. I'm going to toss that away because I don't actually use them anyway. This whole container, this which is just full of dental things, this container here, get rid of this container here, and that is pretty much empty. But I could just put that to the side because that's not going to fit. That can go in there too. But yeah, everything fit into here from in here. Like, this is completely empty, but excuse my little spills. Once I've cleaned that up and popped it in, it's literally going to save so much space and be so much easier to do my nails too. Look at all the room it saved. Like, literally there's so much room back there to put so much more things, and this fits in there so well. I just can't believe it. There's so much in there. And it's just compacted it all down. That whole drawer was so full, and now it's all filled it up. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of putting everything away nicely video, because I enjoyed filming it. Now this thing is just so cool. So yeah, everything fit in there quite nicely, so real stoked with that. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.